warming her.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they do.
I mean, it's not even just blue jays. I don't know what that is. Finch.
Tag my Finch. Oh, guys, come on, get down, cat.
Record my cat falling from the tree.
What did she look at?
Dove. About ready to dive bomber.
Come on, there you go. Like, you don't need to be up here.
Yeah, I'm trying.
I've never seen her smile.
You know what's funny? Birds are bilingual. They all do something.
I don't think that's her first time in a tree.
Oh, she's going up.
She's going higher after the
Highway
bird.
over there. She's like, what's going
You got a
on?
crazy ass cat.
Yeah.
She's over there.
She gets up in the sail when it's dry.
Really?
Oh, yeah. And she jumps from the roof into the sail.
What are you doing, man?
She's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's fearless. She doesn't care about those things.
Yeah, but, I mean, maybe when she lived outside, she was a lot skinnier. She gets,
Yeah, she'll fall like 10 miles an hour faster now.
well, maybe it helps with the balance.
She's just so confident. She doesn't care. She is the queen of her domain.
Well,
Black cat that scared her. Out here.
Oh yeah.
it's probably easier going out because her claws can dig in, you know.
Much easier.
She's like, fuck that going down. I'm just going to stay here forever.
She was chasing a squirrel up there. You can hear it.
Oh, it's up in the bamboo.
Yeah.
Put out on that little and
It had like a nut or something in its mouth.
She's doing a good job, but she's not matching a squirrel.
wow.
Jump?
Yeah, kinda.
That's crazy.
I know.
I gotta come over here where I can see her.
Yeah, I can see it.
There she is.
Fire department to get her down.
I'll go over there and catch her.
That is nuts. You have a nut. I really
Yeah,
never
she's
seen
here.
anything like
Get down.
She's a mentally handicapped cat.
I really never seen
Come here.
anything like I've never seen a cat do things like that.
No.
Not with that many threats around.
You always see
She don't perceive them as a threat.
a little way with her cat climbed up the tree and can't get down. Fire department.
This cat's looking for it. He's the George Zimmerman of cats. He's looking for it.
Deliberation yet?
I don't think so.
You know what? I haven't looked at news all day
Well,
today.
that tells me they're going to be calling. It's been 2 days, right?
I know, but he needs to go.
Yeah.
Come on, cat.
He got beat up. He shot the guy.
Listen, he wasn't supposed to have a gun, and he was told to walk away.
Right.
So you go to jail.
Even now.
Even if it ain't murder, you go to jail, negligent homicide, whatever.
Come on, you dummy.
Yeah.
Go to jail.
She's hunting in the tree. It's really... Oh, she's sliding around.
Going after the damn bird.
Lots of birds talking.
Stop it. Stop.
Get the wheelbarrow.
That'll break her fall from 2 more feet.
Be better off to hit the soft dirt.
You got the arrow flit of cats. Now that's a cool cat. You're gonna have a cat, you might as well have a cat that's crazy. And that makes a cool cat.
It's a crazy cat.
Yeah, but hey.
Ooh.
back. Vanessa's gonna turn around and go back to it.
Jesus, it's crazy.
You're not a squirrel, Cassie.
Kevin. Come on. Sit down.
Don't scare her now. No, I mean, don't get her focus off now.
I'm thinking that cat ain't scared of goddamn nothing.
Uh-oh, there's a bird right there. That
I
can't be
know.
good.
I was like, she turned around to go out there with the bird.
She's getting jumped on.
Yeah,
Bird's staring her down.
she's the enemy of every tree creature. You know? She's getting it from everywhere.
Cassidy. Come on, Cassidy.
You want to throw something at the bird to make it fly away so it doesn't.
Yeah, now all the birds are going to not sleep easy for a long time. They always thought they were safe from cats in the tree.
She seems to have a little cup now.
No, not up that branch.
Wrong direction, cat.